Being a first-year student at the Faculty of Architecture and Civil Engineering is a really hard work. You have to attend lectures and seminars, work actively at the tutorials, and do loads of housework. Besides, most students take part in after-study activities, and that take much time too. I'm worried about some of my students. They're extremely non-standard guys. They're very smart but excessively lazy. The level of their procrastination can be compared with the intelligence of Stephen Hawking. You can say I'm exaggerating, but they try to shrink most of the duties I gave them, inventing most unbelievable excuses. What's wrong with them? They didn't get used to university life? They feel stressed or not well? Maybe they need a break?
Guys, today's English lesson was so boring.
It was English?
I wasn't even on this lesson.
Guys, it's quite cold outside. Maybe we should go to my garden and drink some hot tea.
Of course. Great idea.
In general, they even abandoned their studies, pretending to be very busy and lacking in their time. Many lecturers complain about them, but no one makes them study more and better. During their sit rounds at my English class, they discuss their problems doing nothing, but I can't do anything about it. Once I saw them drinking tea at the cafe, and I should admit they definitely have a very good taste for tea, because it was perfect Chinese green tea. Good choice, though I prefer Earl Grey.
Gentlemen, I've come to the conclusion that I'm not going to pass this week's exams.
You don't say. I haven't even passed the last one.
I'm not even going to do anything.
So let's about run away from our problems.
Good idea. How about we go to Cambridge?
But how are we going to do this? Great Britain is an island.
Maybe on a boat?
Exactly. All the waters in the world are connected.
We can get to the London, that's for sure. Then we'll see.
Well guys, this is it. We did it. A real adventure.
That's true. We've never done something like that before. People will talk about us.
Imagine, in just a couple of hours we'll be in London, guys.
Well, at least it's not raining.
It was a good idea not to bring a dog here.
Alex, I am tired of pedaling. Maybe you will help me out?
I was pedaling some couple of minutes ago. Guys, I want something to eat. Did you take back with food?
I thought you did.
Ah! Maybe we should leave this boat.
I agree.
That's a great idea.
Well, as you can see, we didn't sail. We're absolutely not prepared for life. We have even forgotten our food. After our little adventure, we realized that the river is a quite dangerous place. Anything could happen. A strong flow that we couldn't fight. The beavers' attack. As it turned out later, they could be aggressive and dangerous, especially for us in our inflatable boat. After this journey, something happened in our minds, and we began to study. In just a week, we passed everything we needed. Our tea parties didn't stop, but now it's not from 10 to 8, but only in 5, in tea time which we defined.